Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning up the interior of my brother's Silverado here. He just came back from a camping trip. He was out in like the Bryce Canyon area, I think in Utah, somewhere around there. But you can see how dirty it is. So I'm going to pull these WeatherTech mats out after I'm done here to clean those out. So we'll do that off camera, but I want to just show you the interior. It's actually just kind of dusty, and I mean there is dirt in between here because we actually haven't cleaned these, the interior here since he bought it last year, but you can see there's a nice layer of dust on there as well. But you can see that in the cubbies here there is a bunch of stuff in there because again he was with my cousins and of course they were eating in here. So first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go over to the product I'm using. I'm going to use Phoenix EOD Typhon. So it's an interior cleaner and odor neutralizer. Now when you order this you get the concentrate, which you can dilute down, and they give you a spare bottle so that you can put your mixture in here and you can have the label and all that in here. So the basic dilution ratio that they recommend here is 10 to 1. It says you can even go to 15 to 1. It says it just depends on how dirty the area is. And if it's really dirty, if it's extremely dirty, then you can use it straight up, no dilution. And it says you're just going to spray it onto the soiled surface if you know, to let it sit longer if there is some caked on stuff. And you let it sit up for a few minutes, and then you agitate with a microfiber towel or a brush to remove stubborn stains. If you're just going to be using this to wipe down like dust, like what I'm going to be doing right here, I'll demonstrate that. Just a microfiber towel is just work just fine. And it says it's an interior cleaner and odor neutralizer, and you can use it on all types of surfaces. And it says it surfactants gently lift the dirt away from carpet, upholstery, vinyl, plastic, and most types of leather. It says it features an advanced chemistry that only Phoenix EOD is known for to remove tough stains and stubborn odors with ease. The scent and dye-free formulas rich foaming action penetrates soil fibers, allowing you to permanently remove oil and organic based stains quickly while keeping the fibers cleaner longer by encapsulating polymers that prevent resoiling. In addition, odor elimination technology is used to neutralize foul odor and leave your interior smelling like new. Ideal for use on carpets, floor mats, upholstery, and microfiber seats. Excellent for household use, and even works fabulously on pet stains. So we're going to go and take a look at this on here. So I'm just going to take my microfiber towel and I'm just going to spray this again. And depending on how dirty the surface is, you're going to kind of just figure out if you need to agitate with some sort of tool, a brush of some sort. Again, right now I'm just lifting up dust because the truck's been sitting here for a little bit. And I'll just flip it over to another side. And actually it does smell pretty good. Now in these areas here you can see there's dirt and stuff in between the vents. I think you guys can actually see that in there. So what I'm going to do is I have one hand right there at the moment. I'm going to be using a brush. And so what I'm going to do, see if I can do this. I'm holding it with my legs here. I'll spray some product in there. And we're going to just take the brush and we're going to use that to get in between those areas. Again, if you have stubborn stains, and you're just going to let it sit a little longer. So go ahead and just do this. Okay, open that. My fingers are small enough to get in here. And you can see it's clean where these areas are at. And actually, I should switch over to the other side. Let's see if I can reach over there. Like for these areas here in the cup holders, again, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just going to probably just go ahead and spray some in here. And we'll just kind of just soak that area. And we'll let that kind of set up for, it doesn't need long. And then I'm just going to agitate this. I tell you what, this stuff smells really good. It has a nice fresh scent. Okay, so let me get this piece here first, and then towel for a minute. Let's see if I can get into these corners. And you can see I pulled out some dirt, so if I fold this back over on itself, I can get my towel here. You can see the dirt I picked up from just cleaning this little cup holder piece here. So there is still some stuff I got to get in the corners down here. Again, I will just take my brush and I'll just angle it to kind of just scrub it in there. And that picked it off. Okay, and that's clean. So that whole inside of this part is clean, and just go ahead and kind of mop up any excess that you have, and you're good to go. Now, some of this textured stuff here, I could use a small, like that brush I was using here, which you know, this will work, but it's kind of soft to get in that texture. So another good option is the color lock brush. This is one of my favorite brushes to use on the inside. I'll just go ahead and spray some on here, and then that will allow me to get into the textured groove of the material, and you can see it's really clean. So very simple product to use. Other areas here, let me kind of move these brushes out of the way. As you can see, like again, this little rubber mat piece, which I'm going to take out, but you would do the same thing. Just go ahead, I'm going to just spray this on here real quick, and I will just take the brush, clean this whole area. And then this has some little vinyl pieces in here, so I'm just spraying this with one hand because I'm limited to what I can do with one hand. Okay, and then we're just going to wipe this off. And you can see it knocked down all the shiny parts that were on the leather. Again, shiny leather means it's dirty. And actually, this is vinyl. I should mention it's vinyl. And now that it's clean, it's clean. So this piece is clean. This piece no longer looks shiny. And you're just going to repeat the same process all the way around. And so I just want to give a quick little demonstration of Typhon interior cleaner and odor neutralizer. You can see my towel did pick up some dirt. So this interior is dirty, and we're going to just go through it. And if you guys are interested in trying this out, I will post a link to Adrian's website, because that's where I bought it. I didn't buy it directly from Phoenix EOD. So Adrian is actually a distributor. He's in San Diego. He's actually closer to me, so I placed an order through him. He actually reached out to me and he said he wanted to send me some stuff, but I pulled a fast one on him. Actually, I ordered during the 4th of July sale, and he said it wasn't fair because I ordered some stuff, but he included 2 extra goodies. He included a bottle of Kronos and a clean towel. So I appreciate Adrian for putting that in the package as well. I don't know what I'm going to use that towel for, because it's a really nice towel, and we'll eventually get to Kronos. Probably by the time I get to using Kronos, version 2 is going to be out anyway. So I appreciate him sending that out to me. If you guys are looking to try an interior cleaner, again, this is dilutable, so it will go a long way. I forget the price for what I paid for it, because I ordered a few things during the 4th of July. But because of the fact that you can dilute it, it does go a long way, and you're going to get your money's worth with this one. I know people are going to ask, how does it compete with the interior cleaner from Ethos? That's another good one. I do enjoy that one as well. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either one, so it's kind of flipping the coin at this point. I think from a cost perspective, I'd have to look. I'll post on the video which one's a little cheaper, because Ethos, you just, it's ready to use. This one you have to dilute it. Some people don't like going through the whole dilution process, so again, just pick up like Ethos to use that. And I know people are gonna ask, how does it compare to PNS Express? That's another good cleaner. Really, you can't go wrong with any of those other two options, including this one. So hopefully this helps. It seems to work really well. I've got no problems. I cleaned the interior here. It looks real nice. Again, it took away the shine from the dirty vinyl piece here. I will get to the steering wheel here and we'll pull some more oils and stuff from there. Pulled off dust and it left everything kind of streak free. So again, that's the Typhon interior cleaner and odor neutralizer. Again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and post down below if you're interested in this. Again, I'll post a link to Adrian's site. Just go hook, go support him. He's a supporter of the channel. He's got a, let's get him up and running and get some sales going through him. I'll ask if I can just get an affiliate, not an affiliate code, but a discount code, and you guys can buy it through them, through him. I'll see what he can do. So again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one. So take care, everyone.